YouTube, what is going on, guys? Today we're going to be watching another video, a barber tutorial with no views. And this thumbnail, it caught my attention. It was a very interesting thumbnail. When I saw it only had like 100 something views. So we are going to react to this video. I've never seen it. I don't react to any videos I've already seen. So with that being said, let me show you guys the thumbnail real quick. Alright, yeah, let's go. Let's check it out. He's using KindMaster. That's an app. He edited this with his phone. Alright. Alright. Look at the price list in the background. Let me know in the comments if you guys could translate what them prices really are in US. Convert them dollars.
Haircut tutorial na tinatawag na guard number 2 close blade. Para buksan po. Pangalawang guard 1.5 close blade.
He gonna give him a high fade.
Itong guard na aking ginamit.
Like it's the one guard.
Number 1 close blade.
No one close. He's really dropping it a bunch in the back here.
Fade.
Alright, now he's gonna use the half guard. He's fading down. It's funny that he's fading down because that's like all I've been doing in my tutorials lately. I've been doing a lot of fading down.
A guard 0.5 close blades.
Look how much he's dropped it in the back. That's like borderline, a mohawk borderline. He's gonna do the same thing on this side.
0.5 guard close blade with combination no guard adjust ang blade ng sagad.
So I've been noticing he's taking the half guard off, going no blade, and it sounds like he said he's doing a combination of the two to create his fade.
Sa gitna at pantay.
That's coming out pretty good so far though.
At pagkasunod buhok niya sa gilid.
Alright, clip over comb.
Ayan.
A lot of times clip over comb, man, what I notice when you leave it for last, you either end up messing up the shade of the black so the gradients isn't as like that fade doesn't pop as much, or the shape of the cut is destroyed. But let's see if you could do it proficiently.
Yung kanto na may pagkabilog. So yan po yung dinaanan ng guard number 2.
Like I feel just a number 3 and a 2 would have made that cut fire. See what I'm saying? Like, see that darkness? That darkness is what's gonna make that fade really pop. But now that shade of black up here is the same shade of black down here, so that gradients isn't gonna be as good. I feel like all you need to do is kind of get rid of that line. You guys let me know in the comments what you think about what I'm suggesting. Yo, how dope is this? The watch and subscribe YouTube channel. He's got his, oh, I guess he's a barber supplier too. I love it, man. He's grinding, bro. He's getting in, you know, different streams, different ways to make money. So this dude, you could tell, is a hustler, man. He started his YouTube channel. He's got the barber supply. That's what's up.
Ang ginamit mo dyan ay talagang mahihirapan at mapanipis na masyado. Kaya always guard number 2 po.
It's not as bad as I thought. It could just be lighting, but it's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be as far as losing the gradients.
Pero dahil ito po ay original procedure ko po ito.
Yeah, especially since he's cutting the top down.
Bilogin siya.
It looks a lot better that he cut the top down. I always like to cut the top down first and then fade into it. But it's working for him. That's why I always tell you guys, man, like, there's different ways to create a dope cut, man. My way ain't the only way.
So, bibilugin natin yan para maganda po yung paglagay natin sa kanyang pa-hard.
I ain't gonna line them up. You got the detailers.
Ayan. So, una kong gawin dyan, siyempre gumamit ako ng...
It's looking blurry, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That lineup technique was crazy.
Parang square, shape line sa noo. Para po maganda.
See how he's freehanding and shaping? You could do that with coarse straight hair. With coarse straight hair, you can freehand just like you could freehand with coarse really curly hair, right? But with coarse straight hair, you could freehand all that hair off the lineup. It'll still be dark, but you'll be able to see that crispy lineup even more. Right, it's looking blurry.
Na old table para hindi po.
You know what, man? That might be hot out there. I don't know. But typically, like, I've seen people get lineups like this, but usually it's because they already have, like, a prominent widow's peak. Nah, he's cosmetically creating this widow's peak by bringing the hairline back a bit. Hey, it's a different country. It's the Philippines. It might be popping out there. I can tell you here in the States, it's different. Most people might knock you out for giving them a lineup like that. Nah, just play. Because most people would know you're not going to give somebody a lineup like that unless they want you to.
Maganda po ang kalalabasan. Ayan, so yan, umpisahan ko na. Pagkatapos ko, gawa ng shape line, gawa ng pa-hard na devil. Kung tawagin ay old devil.
What's crazy is the lineup before that was perfect. It was crispy, it was sharp. It was perfect, but he's adding some flavor to it.
So nakikita nyo mga katropa, ang kanyang old devil.
He's gonna use a straight razor now.
Paggawa na to sa old devil niya, mahirap po gawin yan. Sprayan natin, gumamit ng bagong blade para matala.
That line is sharp as hell though, I ain't gonna lie. It is crispy.
So,
and he's purposely rounding the corners. Damn. That's not even enhanced. Beam, that vertical bar is not even enhanced, bro. The fade is blurry.
Yan po yung tinatawag nating old devil cut.
Yeah, you know what's dope? Look at this, guys. It says effective December 1st, 2019. That means he raised his prices. Updated haircut prices. That means that even in the Philippines, man, these barbers are raising their prices. And I know once we look at what the conversion rate is to US dollars, I know it's going to be still super, super cheap. I bet you in the Philippines, there aren't a lot of barbers raising their prices. It's dope regardless of what that looks like. That he's pushing for progress. He's got the YouTube channel. He's got the Barber Supply. He's raising his prices. Like, this man is on his business. He's on his business.
Na shape line nito na gawin mga
no shaver, straight razor on the sides with water.
Kung mayroon kayo sa personal dahil mahirap po
with water while his client's moving and laughing. It's blurry, bro. That's crazy. Look at the shaver. Look at the shaver. Bro, you see what I'm saying? Like, barbers all over the world are so much better now. Like, it would be very hard to find international barbers that could do a blurry fade like this. I feel like everybody always thought it was because they didn't have the tools that we have here, but we've proven you can do a blurry fade with a razor and a comb. So I think it was just lack of education, man, because he doesn't have all the top tools out there. And look at the fades he's putting out.
Mas lalo po kumislap at malinis ang kanyang fade.
And whether you like the lineup, that's a preference thing. But if you don't like the lineup, you can't deny. Either way, if you don't like it, it was executed well. It was executed well.
So gumamit po tayo ng
about to go in detail
para i-develop ang kanyang.
Go ahead, bro. This ain't a rush cut. He's going back and detailing. That's blurry, bro. Bro, that's blurry. Guys, I was scared at first because of the clip over comb and all that stuff, but yo, he's knocking this cut out the park, man.
So, ang ginamit ko dyan na guard ay 0.5 guard, tapos vision na no guard sa guard.
Snapping.
So,
this makes me think, what's more important, the fade or the lineup? It's a very well executed lineup, but it ain't straight. It ain't what people would want. Would you take this and a blurry fade like what he got? Or would you rather have a really compressed bowl cut, choppy fade with the crispiest lineup? What y'all think? Let me know in the comment section.
Ito, trimming na po tayo.
And I'm not saying that this is that. I'm just saying it made me think about that question because it's not the most popular lineup you would see in the States here. All right? I'm not hating, guys.
Uli, para ibilogin na siya.
Yo, that is blurry. Snapping, bro. Snapping. I'm so impressed. Look at the attention to detail, man. Like, I'm thoroughly impressed, bro.
Na itong ganitong klaseng gupit. Dahil noon pa ay sinabi ko na manatili po kayo nakasubscribe sa aking haircut tutorial na aking magawa at may upload dito sa channel. Dahil marami pa po kayong aabangan na haircut.
The beat got me feeling like happy. We just won, you know what I mean? We just won. Bro, everybody be getting that lineup. Everybody getting that lineup out there. That's crazy. You doing flat tops. Yo, I guess it's a popular thing. That's crazy. I don't know, man. Hey. It just goes to show, man, anything can trend. We made fun of mullets for the longest time. They're back. You know what I mean? Anything could trend. If I was in the Philippines and I was barbering, I would be trying to do the craziest, the meanest, what's he call it? The devil cut. The old devil cut. I'd be trying to do the craziest old devil cut and master the hell out of it. I'm not going to be one of the barbers that be like, nah, I ain't doing no old devil cuts, man. That's a bad haircut. Nope. Nah, I'm not. I'm always going to be growing. I'm always going to be learning and following the trends, man. That's how you win as a barber. Man, that came out, and I'm not going to lie, I was a little nervous in the beginning, but that came out really good, bro. And what's he go by? Jazz Key? Jazz Key or Jazz Kai or Jazz? Bravo, amazing haircut, man. Let's look at the comment section. There's only 2 comments, and I don't understand the comments, but he's getting some love because he's responding. He said, wow. It would be dope, guys. I'm going to put this video in the link below. It would be dope if the Tune 45 community, we come together and we show this guy some love, some support, especially, man, considering where he's at, what he has to work with. He's obviously putting in work, man. He's grinding. So, you know, people like that, man, that grind and work hard, and, you know, they got their business, and he's doing so many different things with the Barber Supply, the YouTube, and his barbershop. Man, it's nice to get a little bit of recognition every now and then. I've been there. I know what it's like. So it'd be dope if, as a community, Tune 45, let's click the link below, show him some love in the comment section, you know, smash that like button, and if you feel like subscribing, subscribe. With that being said, man, yo, I really enjoyed that video, and if you guys have any recommendations of other tutorials to watch, because I'm dropping daily content, and if I'm gonna be dropping daily content, I need material, I need content. We've been doing reacting to no views, reacting to the most views, international barbers. This was kind of like a fusion of everything. I feel like the most requested, just a whole bunch of different things. If you guys have ideas, just let me know in the comments, man. I'll make it happen. We've been working really hard, myself and Georgie, to make sure, you know, that we're pumping every day content. So with that being said, if you like what you saw, subscribe to my channel too, smash the like button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Love ya.